thought I'd be making a video about this, but I thought you guys might find this entertaining. Yard maintenance has been slacking a little bit since I've been gone. Just cut the yard yesterday. Still got some by the pond to do left. I think I'm gonna seek my friend on that. And then actually, we're gonna revive the oversized Dodge go-kart for another run. And we're gonna use it hauling hay. Or when I wanna call hay, it's just, we'll call it city slicker hay.
Got it. There it is.
One way to open tailgate. Low on power steering clutch. And let me tell you, this is a little pile in comparison to the one down there, of which I don't know you might be able to see. It's kind of funny thinking on how I thought I'd never use this POS again. Well, transmission's not happy in the least bit. What should I expect though? So obviously the dash is gutted, so that means I have two-wheel drive and no indicators whatsoever when it comes to what gear I'm in, RPM, tack, but you don't need any of that, right? You just give her all the onions. We got grouse fountain over here. It's as tall as the truck. And that's just from this area right here that I like to call the football field. Oh yeah. The shed fell down and locked my tailgate in, so what's a guy to do whenever it's locked up? That's right, you pull out your sledgehammer and make your own tailgate latch. Or more specifically, the release lever. Just instead of that, you just give her the old 1-2 and she falls right down. That's about as big as she's gonna get. Yeah, this used to be a farm truck. It's a farm truck again. Got a redliner every now and then, blow them carbon out of the rings, you know. Fucking dope! We have improvisions. And apparently my door's still not shut. There we go.